We're not gonna wait for people to jump. I'll go ahead and get you started, okay? And you're scared. Rescue puppy don't like baths. Oh, it's okay. And so I start with brushing the dogs before their baths, so not as much dog hair goes down the drain and gets clogged up, because with 6 dogs, it gets to be quite a mess. Girl. It's okay. Mama's got you. Mama's got her girl. Sorry, I didn't want to get your bump. Okay. Can you say hi to your friends? I think you're a little close to the camera. Oh, it's okay. I didn't mean to scare you. Can you sit? Can you sit? Please? No? Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I know you're scared. Okay. Come here. Let me see these. Nobody's here, it looks like. Alright. Let's start your bath. Are you ready? You ready? Let me get the water started. She does not like baths at all. Poor rescue. You don't like baths. Oh, I'm sorry. It's loud. I'm sorry. It's loud. It's just warm water. Let's see. You like that temperature? There we go. There we go, Domino. Just go away from the camera a little bit. Yeah, I don't want to hurt you. It's going to slide on those feet, so we'll get you on that. Yeah. Alright, so let's sit down. Domino has not had a bath in about 5 months. We don't normally give her very many baths, but Copper has skin conditions, so we give her baths more frequently. She's the one in there barking. And Domino's a good girl. You're doing a good job. You are. You're doing a good job. No, I know you don't want to your head, but we're just going to rinse it out. There we go. Alright, you ready for some soap? Right, there we go. You ready for some soap? Suds up your doggy. You want some suds? You ready for some soap? Oh, we're going to suds up the Domino. Oh, there we go. Stop, dab in the tub. You're so good girl. I don't want to get those ears too much. Alright, there we go. Let's get your chest. Let's back away from the camera. Come here. It's okay. Alright, rinse the doggy. You smell so good. right. Can you get your back? There we go. Let's back up. Back up. There we go. No, I'm scared, little puppy. It's okay. It's okay, we're almost done missing you. Okay, we're done. We're done. Oh, I'm sorry. I got water in your eyes. Do you want some? No. No. Do you want some? It's time for coconut oil. No, baby girl. Not yet. Just a second. Okay, coconut oil. You want to taste? Do you want to taste? Do you want to taste it? Is it good? You like that? Alright, you like that. Now I'm just going to put some on your fur, okay? I'm just going to rub it into your fur. Give it a little massage, baby girl. Oh, I'm not allowed to. She does. You just don't need your bath. You just need a bath. Really bad. Rub, rub, rub. Alright, there we go. You ready for one more rinse? Yep, she's real funny looking. She's got about 6-inch legs. She's an American Pit Bull Terrier Basset Hound mix. And we got her from the shelter January of 2023. So it's almost a year we've had her. And she was so happy to get home. She was wagging her tail and jumping up and down. She's a very relaxed dog, considering the fact that she's a Basset Hound, but she's an American Pit Bull Terrier. Kind of like a Staffy, but she's a Basset Hound. Put it on your ears. She's got an ear infection, so I'm trying not to get water in her ears. Her ears are cauliflowered, so she's prone for ear infections. She's got another one. It's only in one ear and it's not bad, so we're cleaning them and putting the antibiotics in. So, alright, look at that. Let's just give you a little rinse. Little rinse. You're a good girl. You are. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Look at you. You're doing so good. She's shaking a little bit. She's alright. She does not like bugs. She likes the snow though, and the mud. There you go. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Alrighty. You ready to get dry? Let's turn off the water. You ready? Are you almost done? Are you ready? Are you ready to get out? Are you ready to get out? You don't like the water. Alright. Let's wait just a second on that. I'm going to get you some more oil for your fur. Oh yeah, you're going to be so shiny. Shiny, pretty fur. Yeah, you're my shiny girl. So shiny, so cute. Other dogs are barking in the other room. You thank Copper for half your life problems. Okay, Copper, quiet. Alrighty. You ready to get out? Sit down here, Bear. Got terrified. Alright, you want to eat the rest of the coconut oil? The leftovers? Here you go. It's good for you. You like that? You like that? Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. You good girl. I love you so much. You're my good girl. Yeah. You did so good on your bath. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Yeah. Okay, let's get you out. Alright, you ready to get out? This is always the worst part. Okay, I'm trying to grab the camera. I don't know how I can show her. So, shaking the camera. Oh, I'm taking this back collar off you. Don't jump out. Don't jump out on me. I got a towel. Come here. And we'll dry them ears. Let's dry ya. There we go. It's back. See, it didn't like us there for a minute. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry, girl. I don't want to hit you. I got you. You're okay. I got you here. The camera I don't got though. Okay, it's okay. The camera doesn't want to stop. Girl, you can't leave. Come here. Girl, hey. Be modest. No, do not shake. Do not shake. Come on, no, let's not shake. You're a good girl. Come on, get over here. Come on, I'm gonna pull you over here. I don't know like that. Look at this baby. Say hi. Domino, say hi. Hi, all your friends. All your friends. There's not that many people in the live, but that's okay. All right, Domino. Be modest. Don't show your butt. All right. Bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Did you have fun in your bath? No, you don't make baths. Say bye-bye.